opening the new era of welding. First, let's begin with our Welby inverter arc welding power sources. In 1935, Daihen delivered its first welding machine to the world, and we've been continually advancing our technologies. 15 years ago, we introduced our digitally controlled welding machine. Now, our welding control speed is 5,000 times faster. After years of development, we've delivered our Welby inverter series. Be Smart and Be Tough are the concepts of the Welby product line. Welby, the all-in-one welding machine, extensively improves welding efficiency. Welby is low maintenance with the toughness to withstand the harshest work environments. Next is welding robots. In 1979, we developed our first teach and playback arc welding robots. Then, in 1991, we introduced the first synchro motion control in the world for multiple mechanisms, including robots and peripheral devices. Now everyone can achieve high-quality welding with our latest FD-friendly series robots. With our new wireless teach pendant, YTP, has improved controllability without cable interference. This 7-axis robot FD model enables the best welding posture for your job. Our new robot welding quality control system introduces the next generation of weld data monitoring and storage. Now, we will demonstrate our solutions for you, starting with the Welby arc welding machines and FD-friendly series robots. With our extreme low spatter, low strain, high efficiency, and advanced quality control, we firmly believe our new arc welding solutions will satisfy even your most demanding requirements.